If you're looking for a brand new golf community in the Sarasota and Lakewood Ranch area, this might be one of the most important communities to pay attention to right now. Because here's the reality. True new construction golf communities are becoming incredibly rare around Sarasota. Most of the golf communities that people talk about today were built years ago and sometimes decades ago. But Calusa gives buyers something that's getting harder and harder to find. And that's brand new homes, brand new amenities, and an entirely new country club lifestyle built for how people actually want to live today, not the older layouts in the older communities. So stay with me until the end, because we're also going to talk about the pricing and the one thing that many buyers don't fully understand before purchasing in a bundled golf community like this. Now, one thing I think a lot of buyers here are going to love is the balance that this community offers, because sometimes golf communities can either feel too formal, too expensive, or honestly a little outdated, especially around the Sarasota area. But Calusa has a much newer energy to it. The homes feel modern, the amenities feel modern, even the overall lifestyle feels more relaxed and social compared to some of these older country club communities throughout Sarasota. And these coach homes really hit a sweet spot for a lot of Florida buyers. You get significantly more space than a typical condo. You've also got attached garages, even 3-car garages. And stay tuned as we show you how they pull that one off. You also have larger lanais, a much more residential feel overall, without necessarily stepping all the way up into those higher priced single family options. So today I'm going to walk you through 2 furnished models, so you can really see the difference in the layouts, the flow, and which type might actually fit best for you. But before we jump into those models, let's talk about what really separates this community from many others right now. Because honestly, the lifestyle package here is a huge part of the story. When people hear the term bundled golf, they sometimes think it means unlimited free golf with no additional costs. But that's not exactly how it works. At Calusa Country Club here in Lakewood Ranch, bundled golf means that the golf membership is tied directly to the ownership of the property. So when you purchase a home here, including the coach homes, you automatically receive golf membership and the privileges that come with it as part of your ownership, rather than paying a massive separate 6-figure initiation fee like a lot of these private country clubs require. What that bundled golf access generally includes is access to the 18-hole course and the newer 12-hole short course concept, which gives the community a more casual and kind of social golf atmosphere compared to some of those older country clubs. Plus, you've got the aqua driving range and the practice facilities, the putting green, and the clubhouse access. In today's market, a bundle package like this is becoming increasingly difficult to find in a brand new community, especially one in Sarasota and Lakewood Ranch. And it's not only just the golf. You get resort-style amenities, including the pool, fitness center, tennis, pickleball, dining, and social activities, and all the social aspects that many buyers are really searching for when they picture moving to Florida. And honestly, even buyers who aren't golfers are still looking at communities like this because they want that overall atmosphere and the lifestyle that comes with it. And here's a quick secret. The resale value on these are really great too. Now, if this is your first time on our channel, my name is Rovnak, and I've been privileged to live here in the Sarasota region for over 30 years. And every day we get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you wanting to know about Sarasota. So whether you're moving in 1 week or in 1 year, reach out today so we can help you get a jump on the right neighborhoods and make a truly smooth move to Sarasota. All right, let's jump into that first model. So we're just outside the Bay Creek coach home here. This is a really good substantial size home. A 3.2, 2110 under air. Very nice size. And of course, you see, you're getting the tile roofs and you're getting the paver driveways and walkways. Let's head on in. So as we enter the front door, as you can see, there's a couple different levels of steps. Most residents would be coming in here from their garage, coming up to this level and then heading on upstairs. The nice thing about it is there's a couple different landings. So it's an easy walk upstairs, and there you are right into your great room. And it is a really nice wide great room as well. Show you all of that. Look at the size of this island. 4 chairs, you can really entertain here. You've got a corner pantry. Let me show you from here. It's a really good size home. Here is your dining nook. There's another little coat closet here. Let me show you. Always good to have a little extra. And then I'm going to take you here to the right. Once again, more closets, which is great, especially for a coach home. The extra closets are appreciated. And as we head back here, we've got 2 bedrooms. We've got a really nice open guest room here, and adjoining it, as you can see, this one's quite large. They've got 2 full-size beds here, really good. And let me show you from this side, there is your walk-in closet. So this was meant to host people, definitely meant to enjoy company. Really great idea. And off of that, you have your laundry area, and across the hallway, good-sized bathroom with the linen closet as well. They've tucked them in all over the place. So once again, that is your large great room. And what I really like about these coach homes is they're really good size lanais. And voila, we're out here on the lanai. Let me show you the depth of this. You got like seating areas, dining areas, just a really good size lanai, all with great views here. This is just a really relaxing lanai. Just doesn't feel cramped at all. Beautiful, picturesque. And let's head back in to the primary and check this out, folks. That is a good size room. This even allows you to go out into your lanai. Lots of room for furniture all along the walls. This is a voluminous room. Look at this. That's a king size bed in this room. This makes it feel small. It's really good size. And speaking of good size, look at the closetry here. What she has to work with. Excellent. And his isn't shabby as either. It is just about as large, almost as large as hers. So that's really nice. And as we come in, you got 2 sinks, and you got your throne room, the little slider inside. And check this out. So easy to get into this room and shower. It's really nice. I love the handle there. Let that water warm up. Step in and relax. This is pampering yourself. This is a really beautiful, luxurious feel here for this primary suite and the whole coach home itself. This second floor version is just really between cozy, comfortable, and luxurious. That's how I describe it. So just wanted to peek into the garage and show you it's not just a 2-car garage, it's actually a 3. There's a tandem there, so gives you plenty of extra storage, or if you needed to pull a small vehicle in, that's a lot of space in this coach home. And you've got your tankless water heater right there. Did you notice how usable the space feels? Because buyers today are becoming more focused on functional everyday living instead of just raw square footage. And that's one thing that these homes do very well. The kitchen flows right into the main living areas. The lanais extend the living areas to the outdoors with great views. And the layouts work well whether you're just here seasonally or if you're living here full time. And compared to many older golf community condos around Sarasota, these feel dramatically more updated in both style and the openness. That is a huge advantage right now because many buyers who want that golf lifestyle, they don't want to move into a total renovation project the second they arrive in Florida. Another thing helping Calusa get so much attention right now is the fact that communities like this one are becoming harder and harder to build. Land costs continue to rise, construction costs continue to rise, and true golf community development has slowed dramatically over the past few years. And there's another thing that buyers just simply don't realize when they buy in a brand new community. A golf community like this, you're getting new infrastructure compared to many of these older established golf communities throughout the whole Sarasota area. What used to be way out east now has plenty of easy road access and nearby retail. Just wait until Bourneside connects with Fruitville. That's a story for another day, so subscribe and follow when we tell you about that one. Now, this second model may actually appeal to a completely different type of buyer. So some people are going to use this as a seasonal golf property. Others are looking at it as their primary residence. And many buyers specifically want enough room for guests and family without taking on that maintenance responsibility of those larger single-family homes. And that's one of the biggest advantages of coach homes in general. You get more spacious residential style feel while still maintaining a much easier lock and leave lifestyle that works extremely well for Florida living. So let's go tour that next one. So we've just stepped into the Arrowhead model. This coach home is on the first floor for those who prefer that. A 3-2 2-car garage. Once again with a very, very long island and a corner pantry. Let me show you that. That gives you a lot of extra space. Perfect. Storing some paint today. As you notice, gas stoves and gas possible here. They also have on-demand tankless water systems here. Get that whole view. In the dining nook. We'll head back here to the other 2 bedrooms. Past the first bathroom. Very good, large, very accessible. That's what I like about it. Here is one of the bedrooms, and then the other adjoining bedroom. And then you've got your 2-car garage back here with your laundry room tucked away in the back, which is nice. Over here, you've got an additional closet. So 1741 under air, good size, perfect size house, getaway or permanent vacation here. This one also has a really good size lanai, just like the others, and pretty much the same feel for the primary. Very spacious. There's your king size bed, access here on the first floor, right out to your lanai, lots of natural light, and good sized closetry as well. Peek in on both so you get a glimpse of both of those closets, and similar bathroom as the upstairs with the easy walk-in Roman shower. So that allows for those who like or need or want that access to a first floor coach home. This one also allows you 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and of course, 2-car garage. Now, pricing changes constantly in new construction communities. Incentives change, inventory changes, and Lennar adjusts pricing regularly. But at the time of filming, these coach homes are positioned in a range that makes them extremely competitive compared to many of these resale golf properties throughout Sarasota and the Lakewood Ranch area, especially when you factor in the bundled golf access, brand new construction, updated floor plans, newer amenities, and the reduced maintenance lifestyle. And honestly, when you compare this against many older resale golf condos that still need renovations and updating, the value proposition here starts to make a lot more sense for a lot of different buyers. Now, here are the latest HOA fees based on the home style. These are for the coach homes. Of course, pricing and inventory can vary. So if you want the latest pricing, current incentives, and fees, definitely reach out directly because these numbers can change quickly. And this is also where having the right representation really matters, because new construction is not always as simple as walking into the sales office. There are strategies, negotiation opportunities, lot selection advantages, and builder differences that most buyers never fully see unless they work with somebody who specializes in new construction and who does it every single day. Remember, we are your one-stop new home shop. All the builders, all in one place. We help buyers navigate communities, compare builders, understand the real cost beyond the base price, and ultimately help people avoid expensive mistakes while getting the best possible overall deal. So if you're thinking about buying in Calusa, Lakewood Ranch, Sarasota, or anywhere along the Suncoast, reach out anytime. We'd love to help. Just jump on a free Zoom chat so we can go over your exact options. My calendar is in the box below. You want to know about the terrace condos and the single family homes here in Calusa? Just check out some of these other videos. For living and buying in Sarasota, I'm Rovnak. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.